Hello, I'm back down in Dorset, not far from a village called Sixpenny. It's obviously why I'm here is for the lone barn in the field. The noise from the, I'm waiting, it's the noise from the road. Oh dear. To think, a lot of landscapers, we try to go to places for tranquil, quiet, isolation. Not this location. This is noisy, main road, but never mind. I'm looking to capture obviously the yellow carpet with the lone barn and some nice moody sky. It's about an hour's time, they reckon, before some nice clouds come in and rain. So I'll just wait and see. Like I said, it's a pity. The traffic spoils this location for sure, but we'll see how we get on in any case.